Wow your guests with this delicious vegetarian pasta dish. Sweet potato gnocchi with pecan ricotta, roasted Brussels sprout leaves, and fennel salad. The combination of pillowy soft gnocchi, creamy pecan ricotta, and refreshingly crisp fennel salad makes this a winning menu option. Pecans have become synonymous with New Mexico and have proven to be an incredible staple for the United States. This is largely due to the fact that pecan trees thrive in full sun, of which the land of enchantment has plenty to offer. The demand for pecans has also grown considerably due to the increased awareness of their health benefits. Pecans are particularly rich in antioxidants, specifically flavonoids, which have been tied to heart health. They are an excellent source of thiamine and zinc, as well as manganese and copper. Pecans possess a naturally sweet flavor that is sure to satisfy any sweet tooth, while only having 1 gram of sugar per ounce. Let's start by making our sweet potato gnocchi. Here in my bowl, I have mashed roasted sweet potato. Mix this with an egg yolk and add a blend of warming spices. Check out the recipe at the link below to make your own. Salt this to taste and gently mix to combine. Add in the all-purpose flour and 1/3 cup of semolina, folding very gently until the dough is not sticky. Do not overmix. Next, divide the dough into 6 pieces. Working piece by piece, roll them into a thin log on a surface dusted with semolina flour. Cut the logs into 1-inch pieces and place on a semolina-dusted sheet pan. Add the gnocchi into salted boiling water and cook until they float. After about a minute, place the gnocchi into an ice bath to chill. Drain well and coat with vegetable oil. Now for the pecan ricotta. Here, I have some New Mexico pecans, which are a very versatile ingredient. While pecans are frequently used in sweet applications, they are also delicious in savory applications like this one. Place the pecans and sage in a food processor and blend, scraping down the sides until the pecans form a slight paste. To the food processor, now add the lemon juice and the salt. While blending, slowly stream in the heavy cream and continue processing until combined. The final mixture should be able to hold its shape. Now let's make the roasted pecan topping. In a bowl, combine the New Mexico pecans, honey, and half a teaspoon of the warming spice blend. Place the pecans onto a sheet tray and roast them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until the pecans are golden brown and you smell the nuttiness. Once cool, chop the nuts into crumbles. Now we'll cook our Brussels sprouts. Melt the butter in a large skillet on medium heat until slightly browned. Add the Brussels sprout leaves and allow them to crisp on one side. Add the pre-cooked gnocchi to the skillet and cook until heated through. Add the salt, shake the pan, and cook the mixture until the Brussels sprouts are still crisp and slightly browned and the gnocchis are hot. Now we're ready to plate. Smear a portion of the pecan ricotta onto the plate and top with the gnocchi and the Brussels sprout mixture. Garnish the plate with some fennel slaw and topped with spiced pecans. Dust the plate with the remaining spice mixture. And there you have it. Sweet potato gnocchi with pecan ricotta, roasted Brussels sprout leaves, and fennel slaw. Your guests will love this dish.